Hi everyone, welcome back to Jobkar. I'm Shabana and today I'm here with a new job opportunity. So before moving further with the video, I would like to request you to subscribe to Jobkar for more job updates in future and also hit the bell icon so you never miss any update and please like the video and share it with your friends and family. So with that note, let's quickly move further with the video. So Groww is hiring for Android or React Native or developer, you can say. So they are in the requirement for Android or React Native, and Groww is hiring for React and native roles, React Native and Android role. So if you have a knack for building awesome UI and UX, so you are obsessed with solving problems for millions of customers, and do you want to work in an app that has more than 10 million downloads? So if you know UI and UX and you are obsessed with the solving of problems for millions of customers, so basically your problem solving skills are really good, then you can apply for this job. This is for you. You should have the idea about UI and UX. Okay, now join the new journey as we disrupt in fintech space and take Groww to the next billion users. So basically, they have not given any requirement. There is no requirement. You just need to have the knowledge of UI and UX, and you should know Android and React Native. React, you should have idea about Android and React. Okay, if you have this with you, then you can apply for this job, whatever batch or whatever degree you are belong to, that doesn't matter. They just focus on the skills. Okay, so if you want to apply for this job, you need to fill this registration form they have given here. So I will provide this link in the description box. You need to go to the link and fill this registration form. Here you need to fill your email ID, your name, give your contact number here, and the duration of internship for which you are available. So they have not given anything clearly that they are hiring for internship or full time, but even if they are hiring for internship, the internship can be converted into full time job opportunity depending on your work performance. Okay, so if you are available for more than 6 months, like if you are a graduate, you can select this more than 6 months, and if you are a student and just doing this internship for in your like vacation, then you can choose accordingly 2, 4 or 6 months. Okay, now would you what would you preferred work setup, or you want to work from home or work from office? So this will also be chosen by you. So if you are comfortable from work from home, then click on this, and either click on this. Okay, year of pass out, so you need to choose between these three batches. So they have not mentioned there anything, but they have mentioned here only three batches. So 2021, 2022, and 2023 batch are eligible. Okay, so if you are from 2021, then you are pass out. So you need to click on this duration more than 6 months, because obviously you are going to free with your college, so you can choose this. And in case of 2022 also, if you have done with your exams and all, then you can choose more than 6 months, and if your exams are pending, then choose accordingly. Okay, now if not a fresher, where do you currently intern or work? So if you are already working, then also you can apply for this job. So in that case, you need to give where you are working. Okay, now technology in Android or React Native. So whatever technology you know, if you know both, click on the both. If you know any one technology, then select accordingly. Okay, now rate yourself in Android or React Native. So whatever you have chosen here, you need to rank yourself accordingly. Okay, now resume, you need to paste your resume here, and then you need to submit this form. After submission, if you will like if your resume will get selected, then they will mail you for further process on your registered email ID. So do check your email ID on daily basis, because you can, after registration, you can get a reply or you can get mail from Groww anytime. Okay, so this is all for today's job update. I will provide this link in the description box, and I have shared the process how to apply. So do apply for this job and share it with your friends and family. And this is all for today's video. If you like the video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to Jobker, and also follow us on Instagram. And if you have any doubt, you can comment me down. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, I'll be coming back with more job updates in future. Till then, take care and bye bye.